Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an Oppo Find X2 Neo with a broken display and a very bad housing problem. So let's check it. So the problem with this device is that you can see on the corner that the crack has started on the corner, of course, and you can see it's been taped up. My theory is that the display itself has popped out, or this back cover has been opened before. And look at that, the paint from the back cover has transferred to the housing itself. And you can see that there's some cracks also on the corner housing, the main housing of the device, and David will also deal with that. Maybe it's bent, or maybe it needs a new housing. We'll see. We're gonna test our replacement display. This is gonna be a quick one. We will access that connector on the corner, and you can see that the smartphone is still alive. It's just not looking pretty well at the moment. So Oppo is using Color OS. It's an Android, another flavor of Android. The camera's a bit sluggish to start, but all works. We're not gonna show you further in, just gonna shut it down, continue with the repair. We're gonna detach the replacement display and of course proceed now to the removal of the connectors to the daughter board at the bottom here. We remove the SIM card tray, remove the cover, and this is our brand new back cover. Thank goodness there's a replacement. That one looks bad because of the paint has already chipped away from the plastic. So now we can remove the broken display itself. I'm gonna pry off from the one of the sides, slice through the adhesive, agitate the adhesive with alcohol, and slice through it with an even thinner prying tool. It's gonna take a while. This is still the stock display, I guess, of this Oppo Find X2 Neo, and we're gonna find out if it's gonna be a quick fix or not. So behind it, nothing much. There's a big film that acts like a buffer between the housing and the display. Just we need to put it back nicely. There's still adhesive strips. Maybe David will reuse it. This one is still good. Maybe just gonna cut off the bad part. You can see we're gonna slice through the sides here, and you can see that there's some bent part of the aluminum housing. So we're gonna file it a bit. I have an electric file here. It's gonna be a quick fix, but since there's some bend here, you can't really bend it back. This is a soft metal, so we can just file it, and David is still gonna manually file off some sharp edges after that electric file. And now we're gonna put our own liquid glue so that we can install finally our replacement display. David will also need a new tube of adhesive. It's gonna be running out pretty soon. We have other fixes that needs to be done here in the shop. This one, I guess, is gonna be a successful one. And align the display. Once you remove the cover for the display, you can see it's pretty brand new. When you apply that to the housing, it doesn't really match up because the housing is kind of beat up. The display is pretty shiny and new. But no worries, this is not gonna affect the performance of the smartphone. It's still gonna work. And it starts up. I'm just gonna perform some reassembly procedures, screw everything back down, put our brand new back cover, and we're gonna be done. So if you have an Oppo Find X2 Neo in your drawer that needs to be fixed, take it to David there. He's the guy that you need to fix your broken smartphone. No matter how niche the brand is, he will fix either iPhone, Asus, Oppo, or Samsung. This is the broken display, by the way. Just for kicks, just gonna test it. And finally, we're just gonna close it up. And this is gonna be a successful repair. And if you can't visit Sydney anytime soon, if you're not keen on going out, if you're too busy, you can just mail in your broken smartphone through the mail if you're comfortable with that. We're gonna do the fix here in the shop, and once it's done, we'll send it back to you, and then you just pay us. It's like an Amazon service for smartphone repair. However, we still want to see you here. If you can manage to go to our shop, we want to talk to you. We want to see you in person. And this one needs a few more drilling and filing, but finally it's done. So thanks for joining, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have new videos coming up later in the week. So we'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Have an amazing day. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.